Welcome. Welcome to Discover Your Life Path. And I'm Coach Athena, the Life Calling Coach. I am so excited that you have decided, made the choice, because yes, it was your choice for a purpose. For you to allow God to let you peek inside and see the seeds that He has planted in you. The seeds He has watered over the years, that He is just waiting to see start sprouting out in your life. So I want to welcome you to the course. Thank you for entrusting this journey to me, Coach Athena. Welcome to Discover Your Life Path. You are frustrated with the way your life has progressed thus far, especially personally, spiritually, professionally, emotionally. You may feel like you can do more, but there's something. What is it? Something keeping you from moving forward, from just touching it. It's right there in front of you. Your decision to be here today, to take this course, is the first step in finding out what that is. The first step in being able to put it in your hands and touch it. Okay? So welcome, 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 welcome. And as I said, I am Coach Athena, your spiritual life coach and guide for this journey. I will also be teaching this course. Okay? I just want you to understand that this course was developed way over 7-8 years ago. I started out as a Christian life coach. Yes, you can today, Christian life coaching. And this course was developed during that time. So you see a lot of references to God, and we are using the purpose-driven life, which I stand by. I mean, it changed my life. I'm not going to present anything to you that I haven't already walked, what I haven't already learned, and living. So I'm living proof of finding your calling, discovering your calling, and living in your calling, because that's what I'm doing right now. The fact that I'm even presenting this course to you is proof that this process works. Let's look at a scenario. You're getting up every day, dreading that ride to the office, to the salon, to the mechanic shop, to the schools. Come on now, let's be real. You vowed during your last yearly review, I'm done with this. You said it, I'm done with this. But yeah, here you are, new school year starting. I'm still sitting up in here with what's going on. What's going on? What is it that is not allowing you to go and grab what you already see? You already said you were done, but you're still sitting here. Congratulations. Because the fact that you're listening to me right now is the first step away from that. Saying, I'm not again. Not again. Okay? So congratulations. The work that you do should bring you such a fulfillment that, oh my God, I can't wait to get up and do this. Do you know, and this is real, guys, do you know that I have been having trouble sleeping? And it's not this time because I'm obsessing over negative thoughts or, oh God, fearful. No, it's not that at all. It's the fact that I am finally focused on purpose. I am working in this purpose, and I love it. So it's like I can't wait to get up in the morning. Can you let me go to bed so I can get up in the morning and I get started in my work routine? Oh, I love it. And I want you to love it. That's God wants you to love it. He wants you to love what you do on purpose. So let's get ready. Get ready to experience a journey that will change your life forever. Because it changed mine. So thank you and welcome to this first part of the course. If you are in your app, you're going to see that there is a journal prompt You have exercises throughout the course, okay? This is not something where we just read and go, okay? It's going to require something of you. And that's what the word says. That's what God said in this season. The promise is here. It's within your grasp. But it's going to require something of you, okay? So get ready to dig in and get ready to discover your life path.